Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah.
Good morning. It is Tuesday, August 2nd. I am just here chilling on my bed. I've actually been up for a few hours, but I needed to get up and pray. And then, I was just thinking and talking to my sister, and I did some dishes. My camera has been up here in my room, so I did not come up here and pick it up while I was doing those things. So I figured, since I just washed my face, and brushed my teeth, that I would come and grab my camera and get the day started. So it is currently 11 a.m. and I have no clue what I'm gonna do for the day. So first breakfast, and then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. Today has already been a day, and it's only 12:30. So I'm finally making food. I am making, turn this around, some grits and some scramps, because that is what my child requested this morning. So I'm gonna make that, plate that, and again, ooh, not all of them are moved. And then we'll figure out what we're gonna do for the day, because I still have school later. So I only have about really 4 hours. I know I need to edit. I probably won't end up going out, honestly, because I need to edit and upload, because I haven't had a chance to. So I don't want this to be a continuous pattern. I don't, but I'm gonna work on it. So this vlog might be very, very short and very, very boring. But I'm just gonna continue on, because this was my plan, to give you 30 days worth of vlogs. So here I am. Yeah, but tomorrow I think I have a plan to get up and get out and do stuff. So tomorrow will definitely be better, but today is pretty much going to be sitting in the house, editing, probably doing some cleaning, blah blah blah. But I'm gonna take you along either way. Yeah, I totally forgot that I said I was going to unbox my Lorvae and my Nadula hair. So I'm gonna do that now, so that way you can see what exactly I got. I'm super excited, especially for my Lorvaes. I'm not even dressed to put them on, so I'm kind of upset at myself, but maybe I'll throw them on later once I'm really dressed, so that way you can see the flex, because they are so cute. But yeah, let's open these packages. All right, so we'll start with Nadula. And if you've seen my previous video about me doing my hair with the last wig that I had on, like, it came in a Unice box, and now this one says Nadula. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Maybe they're like partner companies or whatever, and it just comes in whatever it comes in. But again, here's the little thing that they send. I'm assuming maybe that's like a return slip if you need to return it. I'm not sure. But this is the hair. Ooh, such a good color. I'm not sure when I'm gonna put this on, because I'm getting braids done next month, and for vacation, so I don't know if I want to try it before or after. But this color is really cute, so I'm excited about that. And then here are my extra gifts. Hold on, I gotta adjust. So I got, I'm assuming this is a bonnet. Yeah, it looks like it's a bonnet. I'll open that in a second. I got a makeup brush, I think. I've never seen one of these before, like a makeup brush that looks like this. Let me open it. Okay, yeah, I guess it's a makeup brush. It's really soft. This feels really good. So makeup brush. Another pair of 3D lashes. I'm probably gonna have a whole collection. And the headband that they were promoting. I thought it was just gonna be a plain like black headband that had, or tan headband that had the Nadula writing. And I'll post a screenshot if they still have it on their website, like the headband they were promoting, but I got this one instead. That one's cool, I guess. That, and then this. Let's see. Yeah, this is a bonnet. That's a plain black bonnet. I can actually give this to my daughter because she needs one. So yeah. There's that. And I will link this hair below if you want to get it. And you can use coupon code KOC10 if you would like to get an extra $10 off of your purchase. Just gonna slide that back to the side. Okay, and then the next box is my Lorvaes. Wow, I love it. Alright, so those are the 4 sunglasses that she sells. They all have different names. This is the card. Dear is so gorgeous. I love her style so much. It's a little thank you card. Dear, a real OG detailer. So there's that. Then another card. I think they just sent double of the cards, which is cool. Yeah. This is just extra packing. There's nothing in there. And here it comes in a plastic wrap for the box with gold writing here. Nothing else around. Oh, here we go. There's something on the back. Contains 1 pair of sunglasses, the website, and her social media handle. And this is the one I got. It's called Main Event, which is this one. You know, I just love me some nice black sunnies. I might get those either the tan or the green ones. Those look pretty cute too, but you know, black goes with everything. Alright. Okay, so this is the box. Feels like leather almost. I'm not sure if it is leather or some sort of leather type, but there it is. There's the detail here. Oh my gosh, this feels so soft. I'm not sure. I'm not like really great with like different fabric types. This feels really good. It's really soft. I'm not sure what that it's called. But here is the dust bag. But the glasses are on the inside of these. So there's that. Here is the oh my gosh, what do you call those? Like the cloths to clean the glasses. I can't think of the name of it right now. So there's that. And then it comes in like an extra set of plastic. Oh gosh, I'm not doing good at this at all. Ew. Okay, so it is fully covered in plastic all the way around. And then this is the logo on the side, the logo on this side. That's the Lorvae's. It says Lorvae right here. Well, I need better lighting, better angling. I'm not sure. How can I make this show? There you go. You can see that kind of. And then it says main event right there. And Lorvae right there. There we go. Better angles here. And then this is just what it looks like. It's really cute. Oh, it says Lorvae right there in the corner too. It's cute. I love that. So I do believe that the Lorvae sunglasses are not like UV protectant. So you wouldn't want to use these to like protect your eyes. I think they're just fashion glasses. They are super cute. I love them, and I cannot wait to try these out. I am officially ready for school. This is what I'm wearing today. I'm gonna throw on my Crocs and my backpack, and I'm gonna head out. So, whew. Like I said, I'm going to attempt. My friend's on the phone, but like I said, I'm going to attempt to get school footage. So I'm gonna go.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.